Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. So we are doing an unscripted thrift trip. I came here after picking up my prescriptions and I didn't think I was going to find anything, and my cart is full with like bralettes, summer blazers. I found some wedge Sperry's. So yeah, I guess this is a come thrift with me now because I'm finding so many good things. Let me show you what I have so far. Okay. First, we found these wedge Sperry's when we first came in. They are $8.99 and I really like them and they fit really nicely. Then we found this 3-piece linen blend pantsuit. Okay, we also found this lightweight tweed blazer. We found this like cotton blend pink blazer, and I don't know if I'm going to get this yellow tweed blazer because it fits kind of tight in the arms, but I love the color. Then I found a bunch of like bralettes. This one is new with tags from La Senza, and then there's this one, and then this strapless bra. I don't know about them yet. I like them, but I'm not sure. So as you can see, I'm gearing up for spring, but I did find a lot of wool like trench coats that I really like. One's in magenta and one's in like a tealy color. I'll try and put in pictures if I can, but now we're in like the tchotchkes, and I usually don't buy any tchotchkes, but you never know. Okay, I wasn't looking for anything in particular in like the trinkets or the hard goods or the bricky section. I always look through the vases and the like knickknacks and things because you never know when you're going to come across like that one-of-a-kind vintage piece or maybe something to match a specific room in our house. We are kind of in the middle of like redecorating some furniture options, so you just never know what you're going to find, and at a better price at the thrift store than if you'd try and buy it new or possibly like online from like a vintage seller. The problem is that you just never know if and when you are going to find something. But there wasn't anything today, unfortunately. Lots of mugs, always lots of mugs. So always be on the lookout for that, because I feel like your mug collection should show your personality, and also different mugs for different days and different occasions are much needed. We are running out of space for our mugs though. So if I brought another mug home, I think my husband would be a little upset. I did like these yellow glasses, but didn't need them, and they don't match our kitchen, unfortunately. Okay, didn't find anything in the tchotchkes or glass. I'm always so hopeful that like I'll find a diamond in the rough, you know, like the swung glass or whatever. Unfortunately, that is not the case. So I'm gonna go through skirts, and then I'm gonna go look at some jewelry because I think I have way too much in my cart already for an impromptu thrift trip. So yeah, we will see what I stumble upon while we do that. There were lots of nice options in the skirt section. Unfortunately, nothing that was my size or that really like I needed to take home or that I like needed to have in my own closet. There were a couple pieces that I stopped to take a better look at. You'll see coming up, they're like some pants, yeah, these like short gaucho type of things, but they weren't my size and they were vintage sizing, I think. And then also when you get a little further, there was this like black tulle skirt that I really liked, but I didn't need it right now. Maybe if it's there again on like the 50% off day, I'll go and splurge. But oh yeah, this one. It was so pretty, but I just didn't need it right now. So I left it behind for possibly somebody else who needed it. But I think that's also the nice thing about the thrift store is that it's very size dependent. So if you don't find anything in your size, you're not going to be over purchasing or overspending for sure. And today the store was actually quite bare. I don't know why that was, but the racks were kind of bare. There was a lot of space, whereas usually they're super full. We went up to the counter, and this is where they like keep the quote unquote big ticket items or the things that they deem more valuable, and also their jewelry because they don't want anybody stealing it, I guess. I didn't find anything when I was initially scanning the jewelry, but now looking back, there's like a lot of pieces that I wish I would have looked a little closer at because I actually really like them looking at this clip. But oh well, such is life. They keep a lot of designer handbags and shoes behind the counter as well. All you have to do is ask somebody to get it for you and you can look and then buy it, you know. And then there's this wall of like curated summer things on the side. I didn't end up finding anything there today. This Talbot's dress was really, really nice, but I thought the pattern on it was like very specific and I didn't think it could like wear well for multiple occasions. I ended up putting the blazer back. I don't want to talk about it. Sad day. Okay, you guys, as you saw, I did put back the tweed yellow blazer. It just did not fit me like the way I want it to fit me. And even though like I do think that come spring when I would wear it, it would fit a little bit better, but I'd rather somebody else get it that can wear it like now. And maybe if it's there on like the 50% off day, I will snag it. But we got really good deals because the two of the bralettes she ended up giving to me for 75% off. So they were like basically 99 cents, if that. And then she gave me the 3-piece suit set for 75% off of $5.99. So it was basically $1.50 for 3-piece suit. So I'm gonna go home and well pick my daughter up from school, and then I'm going to maybe film a haul later on tonight. I don't think I got anything like too exciting, but I got more than I thought I was going to get. So I will show you what I picked up in this impromptu thrift trip that you guys came along with me because it was just so good. Okay, we are doing a try on haul right now, and I'm going to start with the 3-piece like poly linen blend suit set. Unfortunately, the pants do not fit. Which I did know that going into it because I think that these are a little of like vintage sizing, but they're 14 tall. So maybe this is something to aspire to try and squeeze into this summer or something, but I'm loving the shirt for sure. Like, I love the little tie back. I love the short sleeves. I love that it comes to like 2 little points. And then it also comes with a little blazer, which I would wear separately. I don't think that I would wear them together because I think this is a little too much like neutral for my taste. But if you wore the jacket with, sorry, I have a mirror right here. If you have like the jacket with like a bright color underneath, or, you know, even just like a tank top or whatever, super nice. I really like it. It is a little bit long, but I kind of prefer that because it gives that little like oversized look. So yeah, this is the 3-piece poly linen set. The next item is this like cotton blend blazer. It's very lightweight, and even though it is lined with like this like acetate type of lining, I definitely can see wearing this in summer. The color, just like the feel of it. I really like the fit on me. Again, kind of looser cut, relaxed fit, I should say. And it just feels really nice. Again, if you want to like roll the sleeves up, you can. Very, again, I don't know if it's like a dated style, but I really like how this fits on me, and I love the color, and just like for summer, spring, it's very nice and lightweight. And it was like $3.99. All right, here's the next jacket. This one I think was like $5.99. It is this like brightly colored tweed on like a black canvas, like a black background. And again, really nice. I wouldn't say that this is like a blazer. I would say this is more of like just like an overcoat. Like you could wear it outside. You could wear it as a blazer since it is collared, but I just really loved, and I'm gonna like come up close and I hope you can see this maybe. This like the color pattern of it, just like the colors of it on the black, I just thought was really, really nice. Again, great for spring. I don't know about summer since it's black, but I just really liked it. All right, I'm gonna hold these up and show you because you can't see my feet in this video. But these are the Sperry wedges that I got, and they are basically like practically brand new. There is like no wear on the bottom of them whatsoever, or even in the inside. If they were worn, it was like once, because like there is some dirt on the bottom, but like honestly, they're practically brand new. They have like this little like embossing on the side of them for a little pattern. I really liked them. They were $8.99 and they fit perfectly, and they're super nice and cushioned on the inside. So I thought that they would be a great addition for this like spring and summer. Okay, the next few items I'm going to show you on my dress form, and I might do it all in the same like clip because I don't feel that comfortable displaying the lingerie on myself in the video, so I will just use my dress form to show you. But it is the bralettes and bras that I got. I will also put the prices up in like the squares that I show them to you in, but I got 3 bralettes and 1 of these strapless bras that I will probably end up putting straps on just for a better fit. But I just thought that the bralettes were so cute. One of them was new with tags, and I think it's just something functional to have for the summer, you know, for like sheer tops, since sheer is in right now. You know, you need kind of like something to support and also something a little pretty so that, you know, you're not just wearing like a bland nude bra underneath your sheer items, unless that's the style you're going for, in which case, rock it. Alright, that's it. That's the try on haul, the last minute impromptu thrift trip. Thanks for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed how chaotic this video was and how last minute spur of the moment it was. Let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comment section. I think I personally like the wedge Sperry's. I think those are my favorite. Although the blazers are really nice. I don't know. I think I'm just really excited for warm weather, even though it's going to be like another couple months. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.